Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're taking yet another close look at DMC's Aero kit for the Porsche 992 Carrera S. It also fits the GTS with some modifications, and you can contact us for a full list of specs and details through our website as usual. Now here we see the wing installed on a car, and here it is standalone. That's usually what you guys are mostly asking us for, to see the beautiful Prepreg carbon fiber. Now this is the raw carbon fiber. It has not yet been lacquered with either gloss or matte surface primer. Also on the bottom you see it's the raw CFK carbon. Usually this part is going to be painted in the car's color. On the bottom area you can see we have done a copy of the original Aero kit so that it's going to fit on your original Porsche 992. I hope you agree with me that this wing looks absolutely splendid. Every 992 should have this kind of wing. It makes the car look way more aggressive. DMC has a lot of other wings as well, but if you will go for an OEM look, I think this one is probably the one that you should choose. Thank you so much for watching today, and if you have any more questions, please give us a follow on all social media channels and drop us an email, and please also give us a subscribe and like on this video here. See you next time. DMC Live.